Loading the Class 8 trucks with the Teleskid is no comparison. I can load on a job site, in a field, anywhere I am I need to load. I don't need to make a ramp or park the truck down in a hole, things I used to do in the past to save time. And also with the Teleskid, I'm able to get the load in the center of the truck and also all the way to the other side without having to go around the other side to load. Very much a time saver. Well, I was very pleased when the Teleskid came to my attention, I guess it was about a year ago, and seeing it on magazine ads, things like that, because I use other track loaders and I'm very happy with what I can do, but always disappointed in the reach. The reach of the Teleskid really was a selling point for me. I contacted my dealer as soon as I found out they were available to get in contact with acquiring one, and hadn't seen one until mine was delivered, and have been very pleased with what I'm able to do with it. In the wintertime, of course, we need to remove the snow in our dooryard here. And since we've acquired the Teleskid, I use it for plowing. It enables me to push the snow up higher without having to keep moving back. I can push the snow up high like a larger wheel loader would do. And also I'm able to load my larger trucks with snow to get it right out of my dooryard versus my conventional skid steer loaders, which aren't able to load into the trucks as easily. I would say my favorite part of the Teleskid is the reach, and it's able to help me reach further across ditches, reach over things. I found I use that feature is just as handy as the height. It lets me reach into areas. I do a lot of grappling. I have grapple attachments, and now I can reach into piles and grab particular logs or reach higher to get grapplefuls of brush onto the truck. All of these things, the horizontal reach plus the vertical reach is very beneficial. The JCB Teleskid is extremely stable even with the arm extended. We have noticed no tip motion with a loaded bucket when we're loading our Class 8 trucks. I've been impressed with the JCB Teleskid and would look to other products in the JCB line. As an owner-operator, I would recommend the Teleskid to anybody that wanted to do a wide variety of landscaping and excavating tasks, as well as the ability to load larger trucks without having to change machines.